TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 100. You get the Nasdaq up 10. S&Ps are up 11.5. Gold contract is down $7.60, traded at $1,240. Now, gold took out all its highs yesterday, had wide price spread, had the accelerated volume. That is going to be on the daily. We're finishing up the week. That's going to be on the weekly. Gold wants to make that run to $13.92. Silver is at $15.79. Silver's going to have to build some cars, get up into that $16 area. Platinum this morning is down $2 at $9.58. You have copper up 2 pennies at $2.02 a pound. That doesn't seem like a lot, but it is because that $2 level held on copper. Copper also looks like it wants to go higher. Light sweet crude up $1.60. That held its bottom. It broke the bottom first, came back inside it. We're at $27.81. Light sweet crude wants to run up to that $29, $30 area. Bonds, the 10-year note down 11 ticks, 131.22. 30-year bond down 2 ticks, 168.08. Bonds, folks, made another all-time high yesterday. Have the volume up there. We'll see whether it's going to test that high once again. King dollar up 316 ticks, 95.95. King dollar's building cause to get into the August 24th low, which brings you down to about the 93 to 94 area. You have the euro down 55 right now at $1.12, and you get the yen at 112. Now, we go over and we take a look at the S&Ps. This is what you have happening. So, S&Ps yesterday rejected the January 20th low, did it on lighter volume. Now what you're going to have, you're going to have rejection on the daily and on the weekly. What that sets up, we're at 184.19. That'll set up a run to the top of this consolidation at 194. It's going to be pretty dicey coming into the close out here today. Why? Because you got a 3-day weekend. But I do expect that low yesterday is going to hold coming into this close today. NDX 100. Now, the NDX 100 was the strongest index yesterday. That being said, it has a huge amount of work to do. Why? Because when that broke down last Friday, it broke under its trading range. It doesn't look to me like it's going to get in that range this week. Bottom line, it has to get back inside the 99.51 area, and right now you're at 96.84. So that has a huge amount of work to do. Gold, different animal. Gold did all the work, been building cause for a huge amount of time, took out all the swing points, had the wide price spread, had the accelerated volume. That's going to be on the daily, has it on the weekly. Gold is on its way up till the 13.82 mark. And, we'll see how it runs into that area. The area that we're talking about there, that is the March 2014 level, and it can actually run up to this 1428 area. It's broken that downtrend, and when you break a downtrend with conviction, which is wide price spread, accelerated volume, bottom line, probability is very high that you're going to get to the top of that break. We take a look at the bond market, 10-year. What does the 10-year do? 10-year gets all the way up to yesterday. You had 2 spike highs. We got to 133.01. Monster volume up there. Bottom line, this is not backing off today. We'll see whether it's going to test those highs once again. Good old King Dollar. What you have with King Dollar, folks, King Dollar is building cause to get into lower price. Right now, King Dollar is on an ABC structure on the way down. It looks like it's maybe setting up a little complex one. All that means is that it moves up a little, has a lighter volume, which is doing today, unloads again on the marketplace, comes back down with volume. Right now we're at 95, 96. This is making its way down to this 93.12 area. So you wrap it, what you're looking for, what I expect you're going to see out here today is that you'll see a small bounce. It's going to be on light volume. This is still building the B to a C of a much larger ABC structure on the way down. But I do expect that this bounces in. Bottom line, S&Ps went higher. Bonds went slightly lower. Good old gold. Gold is going to be a sideways move, folks. When you go up about $55, $60 in one day, you can expect a sideways move. Going to build up some more energy. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Tuesday morning. Markets close Monday, 10 o'clock. Have a great one, folks. Have a safe one.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how EverBank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? EverBank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? EverBank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. EverBank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. EverBank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.